Let me show you how to make beach-themed ornaments today. First, get a clear ornament. I'm using a glass ornament, but you could also get a plastic one if you have small kids. Get some sand and also a funnel, like that. You're going to take the top off of the ornament and put the funnel in the top, and then carefully pour in the sand. Here's the thing, it's gonna get heavy, so do not fill your ornament up all the way, just a little bit at the very, very bottom, like that. And then get some seashells. If you collected seashells from the beach this year, this would be a perfect way to display them. But the trick is you need really, really teeny tiny ones, because guess what? They have to fit in the top of the ornament. So I picked out the teeniest, tiniest ones I had in a couple different colors and variations and stuck them all inside the ornament. Doesn't that look like a little beach in a jar? That's so cute. And then just to make sure it's not too heavy, I am going to glue on the top with some E6000. You could use hot glue if it's plastic, but the E6000 is going to stick to the glass better. And then stick the lid on. There we go. Let's test it. I think we're good. Now you can decorate the rest of it however you want. I got some decorative rope from Michael's in the ribbon aisle. And then I'm just going to hot glue that rope around and around the top where it hangs. I don't know what it is about rope that makes it seem like a beach theme. And then you can use the extra shells and glue them around any way you want. I'm going to use some of the shells I really liked that were too big to fit inside the ornament. And if you really, really want to get creative, if you have some costume jewelry, the little plastic beads sometimes look like little oyster pearls, which is perfect for a beach theme. So I'm going to add a little extra bling there. At the very end, you can clean off your ornament. If you have a glass one, nail polish remover works really good to get glue off of glass. So clean it up and then you're ready to hang it. You could use an ornament hanger, but I'm going to use some of the rope that I used around the edge. And that's how you make the clear ornament. Let me show you how to make the seafoam green ornament. All you need is an ornament and some spray paint. It doesn't have to be clear necessarily, but as long as it's round, I'm going to spray paint it, and then when it's dry, you get this nice beachy color. I also got some decorative netting from Michael's as well. I cut off a section of it and then just placed the ornament inside and wrapped it up like I was giving it a ponytail around the top edge where the hanger is. See that? Then cut off the excess. This was a lot harder than it looks, so get some good fabric scissors if you do this one. Holding it around the top edge of the ornament, then I'm going to very carefully, without getting my fingers, put some hot glue around where the net meets around the edge, and then when it cools down a little bit, use your fingers to put it in place. It will stick eventually, but just in case, I'm going to use some decorative rope or twine and use some hot glue to wrap that around as well. Again, watch your fingers. Do it as tightly as you can. It's going to be a wider wrap because of the netting compared to the other one. But once you get it, you can decide if you leave the net sticking out or if you want to trim it. I am going to trim mine off, mainly because then you can see the hook. That exposes where you want to hang it from. You could always use a regular ornament hook, but I am going to use some of the rope that I used around the edge to match. And then have fun decorating. Some of the larger shells I had, I'm going to just glue around the edge. You could use shells again that you got on your vacations this year as a memento. This is a great way to display things that you did over the summer, just for memory's sake. I'm even going to add some of my oyster pearls since I have my costume jewelry out. I always have costume jewelry around just to decorate for crafts. See that? I like busy, but sometimes simple is better. And there's 2 different beach-themed ornament ideas. Have fun, and if you like this tutorial, follow me for more.